Elegance and design in perfect harmony. Sculptural L-shaped base is a true masterpiece of balance and harmony. Made of lacquered MDF with fine metallic finishes, it gives character and modernity to the environment. What about the top? You can choose between clear glass, solid wood, and if you want something different, you have ceramic finishes to choose from to fit your style perfectly. Do you want to see it live? Discover all the options in our showroom or on our website. Leave us a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.